there are 24 elders in heaven bazalwane. So bazalwane lama elders ayabusa kanye noNkulunkulu. I don't want to say this bazalwane because you cannot prove it anywhere in the Bible, but I want to say it was a 25th elder bazalwane eyayitholakala laphana bazalwane kwakuthiwa ubani bazalwane kwakuthiwa umuntu bazalwane. So lo muntu lona bazalwane wathi esezulwini bazalwane nesihlalo sakhe lapha phezulu ezulwini bazalwane. We find out that uNkulunkulu wathi emva kokuthi edlele sasitshalo esenzeni bazalwane esenze iniquity esebenzise iwili yakhe against iwili kaNkulunkulu. Siyathola ukuthi uNkulunkulu bazalwane man, this doesn't make sense bazalwane. Let's try and make sense of this. uNkulunkulu bazalwane uyayazi yonke into, uyabona kuyo yonke into bazalwane, but uNkulunkulu wayezobuza uAdam ukuthi ukephi, because uNkulunkulu umshiye ngathi noAdam wayemeqhamuka manje ngathi nesembuza ukuthi where are you now, where are you, because bazalwane akambuza ukuthi where are you ngokwesiqu sakho, uyambuza ukuthi where are you in that place whereby ubonakala khona ukuthi ngumbusi, because bazalwane each and every time ezulwini kuthiwa ama sons of God ayahlangane wonke, ngoba siyayithola into incwadi kaJob la usathana qhamuka khona bese khona i-convolution of the ecclesia bazalwane whereby the sons of God bafike bahlangane bonke. So uLucifer bazalwane wafike wenze njani, wenza sure ukuthi lona akasakwazi ukuthi abuyele laphana kuleya ndawo ehlangana khona ama sons of God. So bazalwane uLucifer into ayenza okokuqala wasebenzisa iwili yakhe lona against iwili kaNkulunkulu. So lona wathi mase ewa bazalwane from le uNkulunkulu uyabuza ukuthi ukephi, because uyabona ukuthi uthe sehlangana ama sons of God but you were not found within them Adam. Akabuzi bazalwane ngoba sesengadini, uyabuza sakhala esizulwini, uyasho ukuthi amadodana ami onke akhona lana, but there's one son of mine that is not found within these sons of mine. So uyahamba ubuyela la emhlabeni la kupalace yakhe khona, uyombuza ukuthi where are you bazalwane. Wathi bazalwane authority seyisukile phe kwakhe ekhanda la kuAdam, but wayesahleli bazalwane in the palace. So uNkulunkulu ukhomela amkhombisa ukuthi ususuke ngisho nasezulwini, so kwenza njani akakhi